What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're jumping right into it, trying to catch a fish. We're using a crawl and fish on my dad and my little brother. Okay, buddy. That's just not the place. So, I think I'm actually gonna switch lures right here. Perfect. Dead go. Right at the bank too, boys. Alright, this is it, because this is all I can post for now. But thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.